In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Xero in just 5 minutes. Creating credit notes is an essential part of managing your accounting processes in Xero, particularly when you need to cancel or adjust invoices previously sent to your clients. Whether a customer returned goods or you overcharged them by mistake, issuing a credit note helps keep your books accurate and your customer relationships strong. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to go to Xero's website. Once you're there, your journey begins at the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the next step, which involves entering your credentials. Type in your email and password that you set up when you created your Xero account. If you're not already registered, make sure to set up an account to proceed. After successfully entering your email and password, it's time to click the Login button to access your dashboard. The dashboard is where all your financial management begins. It's your home base within Xero. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to the Business tab. In Xero, this tab is crucial as it houses the options you'll frequently use, including invoices, bills, expenses, and what we're focusing on today, the credit notes. Now, to get to where you need to be, click on Invoices. This section is where all your invoicing activities come to life. It's where you'll see a list of all invoices you've created, including the statuses, paid, unpaid, and overdue. But our focus for today, creating a credit note, is what we're diving into next. Right within the invoices section, you'll notice an option to create a new credit note. Click on it. This is where the actual creation of the credit note begins. A credit note, fundamentally, is a way to reconcile transactions that didn't go as planned originally. Whether it is a return or a correction, this process is critical for keeping your accounts in order. The next step is to add your recipient, the client or customer to whom the credit note is being issued. This step is crucial because it ensures that the correction is linked to the right person or company on your financial records. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid any confusion. After selecting your recipient, it's time to add your item. This means specifying what the credit note is for. It could be a specific product returned, a service that was cancelled, or an adjustment for an overcharge. Be as detailed as possible when filling out this part. Specify quantities, descriptions, and the reasons for the credit note. This attention to detail will save you from potential headaches down the line and keeps your records crystal clear. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, the last step in this process is to click on Approve. This action finalizes the credit note, ensuring that the adjustments are made in your accounts and that everything tallies up accurately. Approval also notifies any related parties that the correction has been acknowledged and processed in Xero. You've now completed the process of creating a credit note in Xero. It's a straightforward process once you know where everything is, but it plays a vital role in keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. Making sure you accurately account for returns, corrections, and adjustments ensures that your business reflects the correct financial position at any given time. Remember, this practice of issuing credit notes not only helps in rectifying discrepancies, but also in maintaining good relationships with your clients by ensuring their billing is accurate. It's an essential aspect of financial management that fosters trust and accountability between businesses and their customers. That's all for today's video on how to create a credit note in Xero in just 5 minutes. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Managing your business finances effectively is key to your success, and with tools like Xero and guides like this, you're well equipped to handle it with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the world of online accounting with ease.